Welcome to Tech Leveler, I'm Lee, and in this quick video I'm going to show you how to passcode lock an app on the iPhone. So the first thing you want to do is actually open up the settings and come down and tap onto screen time here. Now we want to go into app limits, now screen time has loaded. And then you want to add limit. Now you want to find the app you want to set a passcode lock for. So for instance, let's go social, and we want to add one to the TikTok here. So we select that. Then you want to come next at the top corner. Now we have a slider here for how long we want to lock it for. So we can select 5 minutes for instance, and this will be 5 minutes every day. So once you've been on the app for 5 minutes, it will then lock it. Then you want to tap on add, and now you can see TikTok has been added to the app limits. So once you've spent 5 minutes, the app will be blocked for that day, and you'll need to enter a passcode if you want to unlock it. You can also come back here and go back into it and delete this limit if you want to ever take it off. So that is how to passcode lock an app on the iPhone. Hope you found that video helpful. If you did, smash the like, smash the subscribe. Thank you for watching.